Good morning, students. Today we are going to do question number 6 of worksheet 4 of chapter 8. In question number 6, the foot of a ladder is 6 meter away from a wall and its top reaches to a window 8 meter above the ground. Okay, see, one ladder is there. Its length is 6 uh, the foot of the ladder. See, this is the ladder. This is the foot of this ladder. It is 6 meter away the wall. Okay, this is the wall. Its height is height of this window is 8 meter, and this ladder is standing in such a way that its top is here, okay, and foot is here, and this foot is 6 meter away from the wall. No, let AB be the height of the wall 8 meter. BC is the distance between the foot of ladder and the wall. This is 6 meter. AC is the length of the ladder. Okay, in right triangle we can use we can use Pythagoras theorem, which is h square is equal to p square plus b square. We can find AC. AC is the length of the ladder. Okay, first part we solved. The length of the ladder is 10 meter. After that, it is asked that if the ladder is shifted in such a way that its foot is 8 meter away from the wall. Okay, earlier the foot of the wall was 6 meter away. Okay, ladder foot of the ladder was 6 meter away from the wall. Now it is in such a way that the ladder is shifted here and the foot shifted there in this way, like this. Okay, now ladder is here and its foot shifted to here, and the distance between this foot and this wall is 8 meters now. Okay, now you have to find the height of this wall, means up to where the ladder reached. Okay, see here. Now if the ladder is shifted in such a way that its foot is 8 meter away from the wall, I made separate figure. You can use that figure also. A triangle ABC is a right angle triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. This is the length of the ladder, 10 meter. Now this distance we know 8 meter. We have to find this. Clear? Height by using Pythagoras theorem we can find AB. AB is equal to AB square equal to 36, and this is 6. It means we can write. So now the ladder will reach up to 6 meter height of the wall. In this way you can do this question. Okay, after this, question number 8. If the side of a triangle sides of a triangle are 3 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter long, determine whether the triangle is right triangle. Okay, here sides of the triangle is given, 3 sides are given. You have to see whether these 3 sides are the sides of a right triangle or not. Okay, we know that hypotenuse is the longest side. We will suppose the longest side as C. Okay, let A equals 3 centimeter, B 4 and C 6 centimeter. This is a formula of finding that by using Pythagoras theorem we can find A square plus B square, means we will add squares of two sides. Okay, and it should be equal to the square of third side. Third side is 6, 36. This is 25, this is 36. Both are not equal. If these two sums are equal, greater, both are equal, then we can say yes, given sides are the sum of sides of right triangle. If these are not equal, then we will say no, the given sides are not the sides of right angled triangle. Okay, next topic is Pythagorean triplets. Okay, this is same. Three positive integers a, b, c are said to form a Pythagorean triplet if c square is equal to a square plus b square. Same condition as we done in this 8th question. Same is this. We call that numbers Pythagorean triplets. Okay, if these three numbers satisfy this condition. Okay, question number 9 is given. In verify whether the following triplets are Pythagorean or not. Many parts are there, 3 4 5 6 parts are there. I am going to do first second part, rest parts you will do. All the parts are same. Okay, 5 6 5 7 and 12, these are given. I told you C part, C you will suppose to the greatest number. Okay, A is equal to this, B equal C, A square plus B square. In this way we will find this, and C square is, C is equal to 12, C square we can find, this is 144, C this is 74 and this is 144, both are not equal, we will write this is not equal to this. No, 5 7 and 12 is not a Pythagorean triplet. If both are equal, then you will write yes, this is Pythagorean triplets. If not equal, then you will write no, these are not a Pythagorean triplets. In this way you will do rest parts of this also. Okay, thank you.